base map is on now. Pretty much letting the cooling system lead out all the air. About to pop it open, put the hubs on, dyno pack. Let's see what the numbers are. They just did first pull, 450 horsepower, 404 torque, first run. .477 horsepower, 417 torque. I ain't even done yet. Look at him. He's all smiley.
It's exciting.
You feel like you're 15 again?
Something like that. 1995 all over again, you know?
Run number 3. Damn, sounds like a rocket ship back here. 488. 488, 426 torque. It's coming, it's coming. .513. Damn.
We can hit 530, bro.
530?
Hey.
It's more power than me.
How much are you pushing?
Last time I checked at DT in Ontario, I made 510.
510?
But John tweaked on my car one night when we were going to the roads. We're probably about 525, 520.
On a dyno pack or dyno jet?
On a dyno jet. Here it'd probably be like about 515, 520.
So SAE 513.
SAE adapted.
Yeah.
Certified power supposedly. Well, my dyno pack's only 2 months old, so I own the 4000 adapter, and they reload. I told them specifically I don't want no politics with numbers and all.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure it was true.
This is pretty, you're trying to get as close as possible to the wheel.
So Mustang then.
Yeah.
Probably within 2 or 3%.
Yeah. 2-3% off of the actual wheels is pretty good.
Yeah. Right now we'll probably kick off like a 510, 509 on a Mustang now. Pretty right there.
Yeah, which is still not bad.
No, not at all.
Yeah, just to keep the power up there.
Round it out, not let it drop it in there.
Yeah.
If I have to back down and boost it.
No, that's pretty good. 526.
And stock exhaust, like yeah.
Stock exhaust, like we said, stock exhaust is fully restrictive, around 400 horsepower. So with the HKS, maybe he'll get what, like 10 with an exhaust? 10 horsepower?
Yeah, I've got horsepower over there.
Yeah, that's good. So starting base map at 450, now at 526. Not a bad day. .533 horsepower, 431 torque. And then pretty much what the difference is here. So the blue one was the second last one and the purple was the latest. Pretty much just cleaned it up on the very top end. Looks good. So any final conclusions?
Every little thing counts. I would say JSR has the juice, has the sauce. So you know, if you need something on your FK, definitely come to JSR, and they got the magic. So that's what I would recommend.
Do you have any last comments?
Our highest P600 numbers to date. It definitely has more in it. The turbo has more in it, but we're out of map housing, and we're not out of fuel. So we need to get a 4-inch map housing, or we could possibly get the PRL one too.
Currently, you're running the Rampage?
The Rampage 3.5, yeah, and there's definitely more in it. It's just we need more map to map, already maxed out.
Yeah, because not at one point did I hear the fuel cutting off or max potential.
No,
so
not at all. Yeah,
the fuel pump, and that's all good.
We just had that clutch slip for a quick second because we turned up the turbo too soon.
Yeah.
We tried like 500 RPM sooner, and then the clutch didn't like it. So we worked with it and got it through. But like I said, still stock clutch, still stock trend, stock motor, 533 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, that's. I'm amazed, man.
It's gonna feel crazy. I mean, I know my car only makes 510, so
510,
and it's fucking fast, bro. I love it. You know, he's
Yeah.
gonna love another 23.
305s are inbound.
Yeah, he's
305s are inbound.
NTO1.
Yeah.
The Dyno NTO1 305s.
Yeah, that's
like 25 pounds, and the car will fucking just be
We're gonna be on tire.
Yeah,
It'll just put you in your seat.
You said buy new tires.
yeah. You gotta buy some new tires for sure,
You
man.
gotta buy a pair of welds. And
Yeah.
17 by 10.
Seems like it.
17 by 10.
V-lock, baby.
No, we don't really need a V-lock if you're not doing any drag.
so some S71.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you coming.
No,
out.
dude.
Yeah,
Thanks for the invite. It's super
Part-
great
part of
content.
history, bro.
No, dude. Like I said, every time I come to Dyno or something, I learn something new. So it's like it's cool.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know, I'm not a thesaurus, but you know.
Well, I think it's enigmatic that a small shop, one man with his son, is making the most power I think in the world with FK8s. Like these little tricks are adding up to numbers that you're not going to see in other countries.
Yeah,
and they're gonna look here and like, what the hell are they doing?
Essentially, it's old technology, you know, porting the manifold,
Little
porting the
things.
fuel roll,
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
increases the fuel.
And I was telling him the nice thing is that because it's plastic, you could kind of machine it. You know, give it a little bit of extra airflow.
Oh yeah, we take 2.2 mil off the runner, off the port all the way around on the whole circumference. So it's about 4.6 millimeters of opening both ways. That's your Y and your axis up and down, and you know your left and right.
Yeah,
it's completely 4.5.
I mean, look,
Can't forget about our top pair line.
it's just holding.
Yeah.
It's not dying off like it normally would.
John gets down FK8.
Yeah, John, FK8 Tuning Development.
FK8 Tuning
All
Development.
the haters out there, you guys are missing out. Honestly.
He's legit.
You guys are purchasing these stage 1, stage 2 tunes.
Or email tunes.
Popping your engines, and I'll fix it the next revision.
Yep.
But
That's the thing about having a live tuner. You see the data and you make the corrections instantly. You don't let the driver drive for 2 weeks on a high K count or a high knock count.
then the tuner gets happy and he's like, oh, there's some more in it. I mean, like you see, we made 533. That's for a stock exhaust.
On this,
Yeah,
dyno,
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm impressed the
If
most.
you do the math, it should make around like 570 at church's dyno.
580.
All right, so the final numbers were 533 and about 426 torque or so. He's gonna go tomorrow to Church Automotive. They're gonna do a test run on their dyno to see what they have because he's been doing all his mods out there. Here he's running 533 or so. So he's just gonna go over there for cross-reference, see what it is. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more Type R content. Shout out to Serge. Thank you again for the invite. Thank you for hosting us here, JSR. Had a great time. There you guys.